Hello, my people. I don't bring another story. My name na Bibi. How una dey now? I hope say everybody dey okay. This story when I bring country people, I bring am for everybody made them hear. Now, wetin we dey do for this channel? That be say we dey take pidgin English dey talk so that people no go say na English too strong wey they know here. Now relationship or na marriage na him we dey talk inside this channel. I beg if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, you suppose see and say na new one. I beg make you help us subscribe, okay? For this channel, many people go dey talk, okay? So wetin we dey talk here na say now how we go take build marriages and how we go take build relationship. You know say right now marriage no strong again. Small thing this one don't go, small thing that one don't go. And not be so God make am. God be make marriage maybe something where be say everybody go dey, they go dey happy, they go dey tight with each other. To support each other, to complement each other. Now wetin be do God make marriage? Because God can't see say it's all good for man today alone. I do him bring woman. But today we don't carry our oversabi, we don't spoil marriage. Marriage no dey sweet again for some people the way it is sweet. But I come here as Bibi, I dey tell una say see marriage na good thing, no marriage na better thing. Anybody wey tell you say marriage no good na lie you. Now because person don't go meet bad partner, now ain't go dey make you think say marriage no good. Marriage sweet. When you want to say marriage sweet, now when that man they cooperate with you, you and the man will not be friends. The man they see your bad, see your good, accept everything. Now there you go no say marriage na better thing and marriage sweet. Now this topic where I come bring now women will be say the whole work when you they do now to they monitor your husband. You go get up for money, no woman supposed get up for money, prepare children, make them go school, clean house, do what thing you go do, make you run go work, especially those when they go work. For the ones when they no go work, you go day house, make sure say everything they okay, clean children, make them go school, bath yourself, look good for your husband. But these days women they tire for themselves too much. You go see a woman go come up very early, don't tire apart for breast, can't sit down. You know go walk, you go the frown face, you know go even ask your husband, honey, what will I give to you? How are we going to do it today? You the frown face for your husband. Your husband too go waka come up because he no want trouble. And when he come up, he go see woman we smile with him outside. Now that one go down they keep and company, don't talk. I don't know what he make woman with a feel say when something happen, you they tie face. Some of us if you go reach that time where you know that you go get up for money, you know go greet your husband good morning. You get suppose not say you and your husband will be made too. The Bible says your husband is higher than you. So you supposed to know that one. So when you get up in the morning, you go greet your husband. No matter the story, no matter how he bad rich, you go greet him. You go greet him before you go, they do anything. A lot of women, they know they greet take care of themselves. You see roll on now. I know say things don't cost. Roll on don't reach 1,000 naira now. Roll on now something will be say you go bath, rub for your armpit and make you smell well for your husband. A lot of women, what thing that they do be say they go bath, they go stay tied apart for breast. Armpit go they smell like gutter. You go come, your husband go push you, you go vex, you go. You think say marriage now say make person go die. If you know if you take care of yourself, your husband go they look outside. But this one not to for another day. Maybe they talk this one way we want to talk now. Some women not only to they work out, they only work where they do for house, not to they monitor their husband like monitor lizard. Now so that they monitor their husband. Your husband go they speak on his phone for bathroom. You go they eavesdrop to hear what he talk. What it can concern you waiting your husband they do. You think say if you eavesdrop, you hear, you know hear, that ain't go stop him. You know go feel stop him. Man we want cheat, go cheat. Whether you they eavesdrop or you know they eavesdrop. Your husband no feel keep phone for ground. You don't pick phone. Your husband no go keep phone for ground. You don't pick. Begin they check her messages, check him messages, carry messages, carry phone number. Begin they post begin they send messages to whoever your husband they talk to. They insult them. Leave my husband alone. And an anonymous message. Leave my husband alone. That's the way they do. You know what he make you? It make you they like person when no get confidence. You know get small confidence like this for yourself. Because if you get confidence, but tell you what women they do these days. Now to add value to themselves, make themselves more important. So that the husband, no matter what he go do outside, he go come back inside. He go no say, what I get for her better pass this one outside. Now so women they do. But now women know they agree again. Now only the work where they do now to they monitor their husband up and down, monitor your husband up and down. To get to bath, do like woman. Z1 now when I wash pass. Women, I they talk to our women here. Z1 when I they watch Z1 every day. What do they learn for Z1? You know, they learn, say these girls, when they get up in the morning, they bath, clean, dress well, even stay for house. No, here, when I own the one, and I don't know how when they take wash them, then you go stay. You and your husband go, they fight, oh, you go see one message for your phone, you go keep a malice for 1 year. You go see another message for your phone, you go keep a malice for 1 year. You and your husband, so trouble. You know, they greet the man, rest. You know, they smile for the man. You know, go sit down, so say, make I cook my husband's delicacy, give him. Now only trouble. Now where you think say this trouble go lead? What we don't know say women anyhow when you like make you do. When your relationship fall, now you they go blame. Now you other people go cause. And I know say men to get their own, but some women now we they cause our marriages no they last. And we go begin to think of these things. So now that attitude where be say every time your husband they talk, you won't hear who they talk to. Every time your husband they talk, you go or when he drop phone, you don't pick and begin this. And a very bad attitude. Now waiting they cause marriage to break like that. Make you stop. And anybody when they advise you that kind of advice, make you not say no be good friend. No. Any friend when they tell you may they pick your husband phone, they see waiting there for your husband phone, make you no say no be better friend. That friend they deceive you. And that friend will keep deceiving you until that marriage go pack up, they'll bring another person come put. So I they cancel you, make you not do that kind of thing. Make you they focus on how to add value to your life. Now waiting, I can't talk with this today. BB. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I beg, thank you. I beg you, if you never subscribe, make you subscribe, okay? Thank you. Hit thumbs up. Just give this video a thumbs up, I beg, so that they go begin the recommend, and so this channel go up. I beg you. I they beg you in the name of God. No watch make you no subscribe now. I beg, just subscribe for me. I beg. Thank you.